Namaste and a very good morning. Today is 11 September 2021 અને ભાદરવો સુદ પાંચમ છે. The thought for the day is physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, but it is the basis of a dynamic and creative intellectual activity. With this enriching thought, let us get ready for the morning prayers.
શ્રી તુલસીદાસ રચિત મર્યાદા પુરુષોત્તમ ભગવાન શ્રી રામના ગુણગાનજીમાં સમાયેલા છે એવી સ્તુતિ. શ્રી રામચંદ્ર કૃપાલુ ભજમન હરણ ભવ ભય દારુણમ, કે ભગવાન શ્રી રામનું ફક્ત નામ જ કાફી છે તમારા દરેક દુઃખોને, તમારા ભવના પાપોને હરી લેવા માટે. શ્રી રામ કે જેના નામ માત્રથી પથ્થર પણ પાણીમાં તરવા લાગે છે, જેમણે શબરીનો ઉદ્ધાર કર્યો, જેમણે હનુમાનની ભક્તિનો સ્વીકાર કર્યો, એવા ભગવાન શ્રી રામની સુંદર સ્તુતિ પ્રસ્તુત છે.
શ્રી રામચંદ્ર કૃપાલુ ભજમન હરણ ભવ ભય દારુણમ. कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम. पीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि सुचि नवमी जनक सुतावरम. भजो दीन बंधु दीनेश दानव वंशनि कंदनम. रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम. शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारो दार अंग विभूषण. आजानु भुज सर चाप धर संग्राम जित घर दोषणम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम्
For our first performance, we have Parshwa Doshi sharing with us the plight of students during remote learning and ways to combat that.
Namaste. My name is Parshwa Doshi and I am from Standard 10D. My likes are the exploration, interpretation and implementation of various different concepts. However, one little dislike of mine and my topic for today is the effect of online education on our health. Let me start off with a small rhyme that I think encapsulates our entire workday in online sessions. Grab your iPad and sit on your seat. Start your morning on Zoom fresh and upbeat. It's 8 AM, it's your advisors you need to meet, new info, new orders and holidays for a treat. It's the first lot subject teachers you have to greet, till last the entire day will surely be a feat. The second slot just turns up the heat, scribble your notes and never miss a beat. The third slot is just not so sweet, for your eyes are paining but you can't make a bleed. Its fourth slot, still haven't stood up on your feet, you just can't wait for the day to complete. It's the fifth slot, so you take a back seat and you start to wonder what you are going to eat. This rhyme, I think, encapsulates our entire workday in our online sessions. However, while many of us right now have opted for offline sessions too, this is nowhere compared to the offline sessions that we had before Corona, before COVID-19. Imagine the number of calories we would burn. We used to walk all the way to our classes from the entrance, climb multiple stairs each day and run helter-skelter throughout the breaks. Not minding if anyone was near, we used to rush past them and go ahead. I don't think a lot of us do it right now, even in offline classes. And thus, while we used to do all this for 250 working days before COVID-19, right now, our situation is just worse. Well, my plea for you guys, my plea for you, my friends, is just that you spend 30 minutes a day to take care of your body by exercising and look after your eyes, pun intended, by relaxing and taking a break from all digital media. Having a good diet and living a healthy lifestyle is all it takes to be healthy. And whenever you lack the motivation, my friends, just remember what Lucius Seneca has said. The wish for healing is half of health. Stay safe and stay healthy, my friends. Thank you.
आ रहे हैं ध्वज नौघंवद्रा, जो अपनी कविता में योग का महत्व समझाएंगे।
नमस्ते, आओ योग करें, अपने तन से मन से दूर कुरोग करे, आओ योग करे, आओ योग करे। स्वास्थ्य हमारा अच्छा है तो सारा कुछ है अच्छा। रोग ग्रसित अब नहीं एक भी हो भारत का बच्चा। सूर्योदय से पहले उठकर निपटे नित्य क्रिया, सदा निरोगी काया जिसकी जीवन वही जिया। उदाहरण कोई बन जाए वह उद्योग करे, आओ योग करे, आओ योग करे। सांसों का भरना निकालना प्राणायाम हुआ, अपने दिल दिमाग का यह व्यायाम हुआ। किया भ्रामरी और भ्रष्टिका शुचि अनुलोम विलोम, सुंदर है कपाल की बाती पुलक उठे हर रोम। सांस सांस द्वारा ईश्वर से हम सहयोग करे, आओ योग करे, आओ योग करे। सभी शक्तियों का यह तन है सुंदर एक खजाना, यौगिक क्रियाकलापों द्वारा सक्रिय इन्हें बनाना। फल मेवा पकवान दूध घी सब कुछ मिला प्रकृति से, हमने निज खाना पीना ही किया विकृत दुर्मति से। ज्ञान और अपने विवेक से हम सब भोग करें, आओ योग करें, आओ योग करें। पानी और हवा दूषित हो कुछ न करे ऐसा हम, चले संभल कर थोड़ा तो यह दुनिया बड़ी मनोरम। सुख से जिए और सुख से ही हम जीने दे सबको, वेद पुराण शास्त्र सारे ही यह बतलाते हमको। ईश प्रदत्त शक्ति साधन का हम प्रयोग करें, आओ योग करें, आओ योग करें। धन्यवाद।
We have Viha Joshi and Malav Zalavadia interviewing Ms. Chandni Ginoya, who will be sharing a few tips on physical fitness and dietary regime.
Namaste and a very good morning to all the viewers of the TGES Assembly. I am Viha Joshi and along with me is my co-interviewer Malav Zalavadia. As part of the theme of the Assembly, a rendezvous with your health, we have invited Chandni Ma'am, who is the gym and health instructor at our very own TGES Gymnasium. Welcome, ma'am.
Hello, everyone.
The very first and basic question, ma'am, what made you choose this profession?
By profession, I'm a physiotherapist. And after that, I have interest in sports. So I came here and then started training all things. So I became gym instructor.
So, ma'am, is it advisable for a teen to practice weightlifting? And how do we know how much weight a student should be lifting?
Okay, for this, I'll like to share one photograph with you. So, okay, so in this photograph, first one is fatty. So, he can do cardio workout only. There is no need of strength right now. A middle person is okay with lean muscle mass. So he is advisable to do both cardio exercise as well as weightlifting. And a third person who is very lean, so he need to develop some muscles. So he is advisable to do weightlifting. And ideal weightlifting is like after, 14 or 15 years, and properly you can, consult any gym instructor or for the proper guidelines, like how much weight should you lift and for what period of time you need to exercise.
Ma'am, sometimes in the initial stages or later due to excessive workout, we may face muscle soreness and cramps. In that case, what should we do?
You need to do stretching. So if you, visit any gym, they'll start your protocol with cardio exercise and take you to some strength exercise and ending with a cool down. So in cool down, they'll show you some stretches and all. So you need to do that. So it will, after, 1 or 2 weeks, that soreness and cramp will go.
Okay. And how do sleep and rest play their role in gaining physical fitness? And should we work out under stress?
Okay. Sleep and rest is equally important as doing exercise. Doing exercise is our outcome. That is not a fuel for our body. Like a motorcycle, fuel is just an mileage, will give you a mileage. The outcome will be a fitness, physical activity is our outcome. So that is not a fuel. Fuel is our proper diet, rest, and sleep. That is our fuel. So it is important, equally important as doing workout.
Now, what should a student or any other person do for his or her mental growth and peace?
Exercise, eat good food, and rest.
Ma'am, what could be the most nutritious and healthy diet, especially for a student, and what all things should be included and avoided in one's diet and habits?
Okay, for this, I'd like to, share one pyramid with you, which we all have studied in our fourth and fifth standards. So everybody will be very well aware of this. So in this diet, a major portion is our carbohydrate. That is 40% is a carbohydrate thing. Then comes to 35% is our vitamins and minerals, which we can, take it out from our fruits and vegetables. And 20% is protein content. So protein, if you are non-vegetarian, you can have a meat and fish. If you are vegetarian, you can extract it from milk or eggs. And 5% is fat. Fat and sweets and oil, you have to take it. Actually, good fat is needed in a diet. So this is 100% of balanced diet. You can use it as a regular regime.
And ma'am, is there any specific way to increase our energy levels instantly?
There is no shortcut in this thing, but proper food and a rest.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when should a fitness program be changed?
For this is like when you are a newcomer, when you are new to exercise thing. So that for that time, you need to change it only after 3 months. Like when you know how to do which exercises, for individual muscle. When you become pro, then you can change it whenever you get bored. But initial phase of time, you should first consult the available trainer there. Otherwise, you can have to stick to 3 months for initial worker, and after that, you can change according to you.
And should there be any cheat days?
Cheat days, if you follow your balanced diet, then there should no cheat days. But if a person is weighing 100 kg and putting more efforts in reducing their weight, then obviously cheat days are good.
Okay. Chandni ma'am, this interaction was indeed an eye-opener for us. I hope the students will surely benefit if they follow the instructions and suggestions given by you.
Yes, they have to follow.
Yes, listening to sermons is easier than putting them into practice. Friends, we can overcome many challenges in our life healthily if we have a healthy body and a sound mind. And for that, थोड़ी मेहनत तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. As they say, no gain without pain. Finally, it is our body and mind. We need to take command of ourselves before we are left with ills and pills. Point to Socho. Thank you, Chandni ma'am, for sparing your valuable time with us and sharing with us nuggets of wisdom. Thank you. Have a nice day.
With such a food for thought, let us rise for the national anthem. Assembly, Saudan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. I thank the music team, Chandni Ma'am and our performers for today's assembly. Thank you all for being a wonderful audience. Have an energetic day ahead.
कष्ट भंजन महाबली प्रभु श्री राम के परम भक्त हनुमान जी महाराज, जिनके मुख पे तेज रहता है, जिनके हृदय में हमेशा प्रभु श्री राम की छवि बसी रहती है, जिनके दर्शन मात्र मंगलकारी है, ऐसी ही सुंदर स्तुति मंगल मूर्ति प्रस्तुत करते हैं। जय श्री राम।
द्वारे